Hey guys, earlier this year, Jason McGee, a disabled yet hopeful woodworker from Sherman, Illinois, reached out to us for help and guidance in setting up a workshop for his home garage. Jason's a fan of Toolbox Buzz and he's been enjoying our YouTube channel for a while. And he wanted to inquire if we ever got involved with doing charity work and helping folks out. So due to his spinal injury that happened when he was a teenager, Jason was diagnosed as an incomplete quadriplegic and was expected to pretty much be bedridden for the rest of his life. Jason has battled through illnesses, surgeries, and amputations, but he's emerged with the ability to use a manual wheelchair and a strong-willed attitude to go with it. Jason's on a fixed SSDI income, and currently he desires to set up a woodworking business and further his independence. He asked us if we knew of any groups or might know people that could help him, acquire tools, equipment, or anything that might help him get started. He also explained that he noticed that there's no real presence on YouTube for disabled woodworkers, and he wanted to kind of set up shop and maybe do some YouTube videos and get a website and inspire people with disabilities that you're not limited by your disability, only by your ability and desire to adapt. So Jason wants to create and inspire. His email touched us, and it made us realize that being faced with a challenge, oftentimes when people are, that's when the incentive and ingenuity and creativity thrive. We needed to use our skills, our knowledge of tools, and tool company contacts to help him. So we reached out to a few industry connections to see if we could help Jason get some tools and equipment. And that's how it started. It soon became obvious to us that Jason needed more help than just tools. He pretty much needed some help setting up a workshop and in his garage and, workbenches at certain heights and spatial things and stuff like that. So Jeff Dietz, Toolbox Buzz reviewer and editor, and I are going to fly out for 2 days. We're going to help him build his shop out and set up all the tool donations. Acme Tools, Milwaukee, Ryobi, Home Depot, Rockler, all sent donations. Acme is a distributor for tools, and they reached out to several different brands like DeWalt and Jet and Rycon, and they secured several thousands of dollars worth of equipment for Jason's shop. So we're traveling tomorrow morning to Sherman, Illinois to help Jason set up his shop. Jason and his wife has asked me to document this project in the hope that it inspires other people with disabilities to try out woodworking. So please join us on Jason's journey to become a woodworker, and we'll try to post as we go. We'll see you later.